Sir, you can start.
Okay. Very good evening to all of you, beta. We have already done the initial part, but I'm going to quickly revise this and then we'll go ahead. We studied that atom is indivisible. Okay, who gave this theory? John Dalton. So, yeah, suppose if I give you a big piece of sodium and if you try to break it, so the smallest part will be what? Sodium only, right? Now, what is present inside an atom? Inside an atom, we have like this structure. At the center, what do we have? At the center, we have what? This part. What is the name of this part? Nucleus. Okay. Inside the nucleus, what we have?
Protons
Protons.
and
Protons and neutrons.
Protons is what charge? Positive.
protons is
Positive.
Neutron,
Neutrons are neutral
no
or no
charge.
charge.
No charge.
And electrons are
Okay,
negative.
protons and neutrons together, they are known as what? Nucleons. Nucleons. Okay, then around this, what are these? This structure, the one which you
Shells
can
or orbits or energy levels.
orbits or energy levels.
Levels.
Okay, and inside that, what is revolving?
Electrons.
Electrons.
Negatively charged.
negative charge.
Negatively charged. Very good. Very good. Very good. Then, beta, we'll study some few properties about them. The first one is proton. First one is what, beta? Proton. Symbol is P. It has positive charge. It has one mass. Who
So,
discovered it?
small p, right?
Goldstein. Yeah, small p.
Sir, our school teachers told us that the discovery won't be coming in the
Okay, then to beta, you should know. Electron is E. What is the charge on electron? -1. And mass is what? Negligible. Mass is what for electron? Negligible. Who discovered? J.J. Thomson. Neutron N. Okay, what is the charge? No charge. Mass is 1. Who discovered it? James Chadwick. Then beta, we studied atomic number. What we studied, I'm just revising. Those who have joined now, I'm just revising what we have done. Look, we started with atomic structure, okay, Dalton's theory. Then we studied the structure of atom. At the center, we have what, beta? Nucleus. Inside the nucleus, we have proton, which is positively charged. Neutron, no charge. Around this, they are orbit or shell. In that, electron is revolving. Electron is negatively charged. If protons and neutrons together, they are known as nucleons. Then we studied the proton is written as P, electron E, neutron N. Charge on proton is +1. Here it is -1. Neutron, no charge. Proton has mass and neutron has mass of 1. Electron has negligible mass. Proton was discovered by Goldstein. Electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson. Neutron was discovered by Chadwick. What is atomic number? Atomic number is what?
Is the number of protons and
नहीं or protons it is not
or
and नहीं
It
it
is
is
the
the number of atomic number is protons or electrons in an atom of an element. What is the symbol for atomic number? What is the symbol we write?
Z.
Z. It is written as subscript on left hand side. Suppose this is an element, so where I write this atomic number here. So if I write 11, so what does this mean? Sodium atomic number is 11. So it has 11 proton or it has 11 electron. Positive will be always equal to negative, so it is neutral. Atom is electrically neutral. Clear?
yes.
Suppose, okay, atomic number is what we studied now, beta. It is number of protons or electron. Can you see equal to sign is there, not positive sign? So atomic number, what is the symbol for atomic number? Z. So what I'll write? Z is equal to P, which is equal to E. Now, what type of sum I'll ask? Look, sodium atomic number is 11. So what is the atomic number? 11. How many proton? Atomic number is equal to what? Atomic number is equal to number of proton, which is equal to electron. So proton also 11. Electron also 11. Understood?
Yes.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Sir.
Then beta we go to mass number. Acha, before that I'll give you one more example. Suppose if I write chlorine, atomic number is 17. So what is atomic Z will be what?
17.
Proton will be also
17.
electron will be also
70.
very good. Then we did mass number. Mass number, what is the symbol? It is the
total number of protons and neutrons in an atom of an element.
it is the total number of protons and neutrons in an atom of an element.
Element.
Clear? So how
Yes.
it is written? What is the symbol A? It is written as
A.
superscript. At the top we write. So suppose if there is an element any, so if I want to write it mass number, I'll write at the top. Okay, suppose if I have written sodium 23, so what does this 23 represent? I have written as a superscript at the top, so it is mass number. Now what is the formula for mass number? A will be equal to proton and neutron. So it is what? Mass number is equal to proton plus neutron. Yeah, but what is number of protons? Protons is what, beta? Okay, A is equal to P plus N.
But sir, how do we know the number of neutrons?
That I'll teach you, beta. Okay. A is equal to P plus N. But what is P, beta? P was what, beta? P is equal to Z.
Atomic number.
So can I write instead of P atomic number?
Yes.
Look, instead of P, what I wrote atomic number. Why? Because Z is equal to P. A, now how to find neutron? Neutron will be what? A minus Z. A minus. Now, what type of sums they will ask? You were asking us, or what type of sum? So look, if I give you like this, sodium atomic number above is what? Mass number is 23. So what is the value of A here? Tell me, A is how much in this?
Sir,
Hmm?
like 4 neutrons equals to A minus Z. You wrote A equals to Z plus N. But isn't mass is like plus P plus N?
But what was Z? But what is number of proton? Number of proton is what, beta? Atomic number, right?
Yes,
Na? Okay. Yeah, ROE, tell me.
Sir, our chemistry teacher told us that we have to write like a few statements in solving the sums.
Wow,
Like
solving the sum to we are no. Why will write the statement? This is the sum, na, beta.
She told us that she showed us a format like this is equal to this is equal to this, and we have to write like statements like that.
Okay.
She said something.
Okay. I'll tell you, beta. Now, suppose if I'll give you this sum. In exam, they will give you this sum like sodium. This here it is 11 and 23. So what you'll write? Okay, so you'll write first what you write here in this case. Given you will write. Given. What is given here? Tell me. Atomic number. Atomic number.
23.
Atomic number that is Z is equal to 11. Mass number. Mass number is at the top.
23.
Mass
A.
number A is equal to
23.
23. Okay, so therefore, number of protons will be how much?
11.
Okay, we know beta. Atomic number A is equal to what? Proton, or which is equal to Z is equal to what? Z is equal to what? Proton or electron. Therefore, proton is equal to Z. So proton is how much? 11. Electron also is equal to what, beta? Z. So electron is also 11. Then what you have to write? Neutron number. Neutron number is what? A minus Z. So how much is your A? 23 minus 11. So how much answer I got? 12. Understood now? Hello.
Oh, so neutron equals to mass number.
Minus atomic number.
Okay.
Okay. Now do this. Chalo, suppose I give you phosphorus 15 and this is 31. So tell me, what will be your A?
A is 31.
Z
31.
is?
Z is
15.
15.
Okay. So
Proton is equal
therefore,
to 15.
Proton
Neutron
is equal to 15. Electrons
Elect-
equals to 15.
equals to 15.
15. Wait.
Neutron is 16.
Neutron is
And
A
neutrons
minus
is
Z.
16.
A minus Z.
31 minus 15, which is 60.
Understood. Very good.
Yes, sir.
अरे ये क्या हो गया बेटा? हाँ, ठीक है. Will you be able to do this?
Yes.
चलो बेटा. Then बेटा we go to the next part. अरे चलो ना भाई. हाँ.
By the way, sir, isotopes is not there.
No, let it be not there beta, but we should know. Okay. Now electronic configuration. What is electronic configuration? It is the arrangement of electrons,
in
different orbits around the nucleus of an atom. Clear? So where electrons are moving in orbit or shell, they are also known as energy levels. Now for this also we are what is this girl's name? Dhruvi.
Sir, in school we started ICE. no bars and like everything else. We
Yeah,
already started it.
yeah, I'm going to do that, beta. Okay. Because your exams are going to go for 2 weeks, so we have to complete the portion also, no, beta? Okay. Now, what is the formula for electron in a particular? Can you see this, beta? This is the structure I have given. At the center, we have what? Nucleus.
Nucleus.
This first shell is known as K, L, M, N. So, how do we represent this? N is equal to 1, first shell. This is second shell. This is third shell. 4. Okay, so K, L, M, N. N is equal to 1. N is equal to 2. And so how many maximum electron can be accommodated? What is the formula? 2n square. So in K shell, how many electron I will write? 2 in. What is the value of my N here? 1. So 2 into 1 square. So how many electrons? 2 electrons. So in exam, if they ask, in K shell, how many electrons will enter? 2. In a L shell, how many electron? N ka value is how much? 2. So what you are going to substitute here instead of N? 2.
8.
2. So 2 into 2 square. So 2 into 4. So how much answer I am going to get? Maximum
8.
electron which can be accommodated in L shell is 8. Are you getting it? Hello. Very good. Okay, how many
Yes, sir.
electron can be accommodated in third shell?
3.
2 into 3
3.
square. So 2
Which is
into
8.
3 square. So
Now
that is 2 into 9. That is how much?
Normally
18.
there
18.
can only be 8.
Okay. Now how many in N shell or fourth shell? 2 into 4 square. So that is how much?
32.
So this is rule number 1. Okay. This is rule number 1. What is rule number 2? The rule number 2 says that last shell cannot have more than 8 electron. Last shell cannot have more than 8 electrons. Cannot have more than 8 electrons. Clear? So I have written here first 20 element. Can you see this? Okay.
Sir, will you also ask us the symbol?
Yeah, symbol they first
In
20
like
element.
MCQs or like what's the symbol of this?
No, yeah, symbol they can ask you because first 20 element you should know. Hi, hello, live, BBC news on
Warren Henry Live
Friday night.
BBC News on Friday
Friday
night.
night. I have
Na
sent the
Mango
mnemonic.
Allah Se.
Na
Na
mango,
mango Allah
Allah
se
se
Pepsi
Pepsi,
soda
Cola or
or
Kaju cake.
cake.
Sir, can you send?
I have already sent. I'll again resend it beta in your group. Don't
Sir,
worry.
do you have any quotes or songs for this in metals, non-metals, and metalloids? Because in noble gases, so you said Hina Nina or Karina Wala.
Yeah. Now I'll
If
tell
you
you.
have, can you tell us?
Yeah. Wait, beta. First, let me write the electronic configuration. These are the atomic number. What I've written here. This is atomic number 1. Can you see this? These are the atomic number. 1, 2,
1.
3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Till 20 I've written. Can you see?
Yes.
Acha. 1 means 1. Electronic configuration. Here it is what? 1. Here it is what? 2. Acha, there are 3 electrons. So how much I'll write? 2 comma 1. 4 is first shell mein how many electrons will go? 2, no beta?
Yes.
So acha, there are 4 electrons. So 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3. Are you getting it? 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, 2 comma 7, 2 comma 8. Now here it is 11. So 2, 8. Second shell, only 2 electrons can go, na? So 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, 2, 2, 8, 3, 2, 8, 4, 2, 8, 5, 2, 8, 6, 2, 8, 7, 2, 8, 8. Now this is very interesting for potassium and calcium. For potassium beta, what was there? Potassium atomic number is what? 19. So can I write this way 289? No, because this is now my last shell or not, tell me.
Yes.
Last shell cannot have more than 8 electrons. So what I'll do beta, I'll shift 1 electron. So what I'll write? 2, 8, 1. Similarly for calcium it is 20. So this is wrong. This is correct. Okay, for calcium, can I write 2, 8, 10? This is
No.
last shell. So that we cannot write this way. So 2 electron because last shell cannot have more than 8. So 2, 8, 8, 2. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now this is very important. We'll study something we call it as valency. What we call it as?
Valency.
Valency.
Now, if you see every element, in our life, we want to become like we have role model, na beta. So for element, who are the role model? Noble gas. Everybody wants to become like them. Helium, neon, and argon. Nearest noble gas. Everybody wants to become like nearest noble gas. So they will try to attain their electronic configuration. So hydrogen wants to become like whom, beta? Helium. Who is the nearest noble gas to lithium? Bolo, lithium is 3. So it is who, beta? Helium, na?
Yes, sir.
Helium. Fluorine ka is neon. Who is nearest to fluorine? So now try to understand, beta. Any element, if it has 1, 2, or 3 electron in their outermost shell, they will always lose that electron. They will always
Lose electron.
so their valency will be +1. So this is all of them were having how many electron? 2, 2, 2. So what is their valency? Lose करेगा, so they will achieve which charge they will acquire? Positive, na?
Yes,
They
sir.
will lose how many electron? 3, 3, 3. So it will be what? +3. Now, fluorine, can you see this fluorine? How many electrons it is gaining? Fluorine. Look here. How many electron it is gaining? 2,7. It wants to become like neon. So it will gain 1 electron or not? Tell me.
Yes.
To become, so what will be gain electrons? So I'm gaining negative charge. So what is its valency? -1. Oxygen is gaining how much? 2, na beta, to become like neon. So its valency is 2 minus. Nitrogen will gain how many electron? Tell me. It want to become like neon. So how many electron it will gain? It will try to attain 8 electron in its outermost shell. So how many? Come on. Already it is having.
-3.
So it will gain 3 electrons. So it will become 3 minus. Understood?
Valency.
Yes, sir.
Like
So what is valence? It is the number of electron gained or donated to attain electronic configuration of nearest noble gas.
Oh, so for valency is given to the nearest noble gas.
Yeah.
So like how
But so then I
they-
have a doubt. So the middle ones like carbon and silicon,
Yeah, so
they
they share.
got 4 upon -4.
They will share.
That's equal to 0, right?
Yeah,
Sorry, 1,
share.
right?
Yeah, no, they will share. How many electron it required to become stable? Carbon will
1.
gain. Why 1? Who is the nearest noble gas? Neon, na? So it will gain, na, beta? So what
So
is the
they need
balance?
1.
so
4.
beryllium
So why
takes
do they
from
need 4?
boron.
2, carbon is how much, beta? 2,4 or not? Tell me.
4.
Yes.
Carbon atomic number is 6. So 2,4. So it wants to become 8. Outermost shell, every element will try to attain 8 electrons. Okay, so how many more it requires?
4.
So 4 electrons. So what is the valency of carbon? 4 minus. Okay,
Okay.
is this
Yeah, but it
clear?
can also lose 4
No,
electrons. It's not.
carbon will not lose. Silicon can lose. Okay, carbon will always gain. Okay.
Why, sir?
Yeah, because it is a more non-metallic than silicon. Silicon is a metalloid, so it can
Oh,
donate. Okay.
okay, sir.
Yeah. So this is
Okay,
all
sir.
about valency, and these are now in exam they will tell you to draw this structure, beta. How to find neutron number? How to find?
So they will tell us.
They will tell you to draw.
Yes, they will.
So will they tell us to find neutron number?
No,
Yes, they will.
because when you will draw, you will have to write neutron here, beta.
Oh.
So
We
how?
have to like write. We have to write all
Yes,
the things inside the
right.
nucleus. Like
Yeah, inside the nucleus,
so,
proton
we have
and
to do all the calculation to find neutron and then draw.
but I'll tell you now how to. You can remember atomic number for atomic number. We know, beta, for first
Atomic
20.
number is easy.
So how to? So atomic number is equal to number of proton. When I say hydrogen atomic number is 1, so proton is also 1.
Yeah, but
Helium
proton is
atomic.
easy. But
But how to find this? So this is what I'm teaching you, na, beta. So this is the trick how to remember neutrons if they have not given. So what is the trick, beta? This is the trick. If my atomic number is what, beta? Odd atomic number. If my atomic number is what?
odd.
So then my mass number will be what? If odd atomic number, we should always do what, beta? 2n
2n
plus
plus
1.
1.
2n plus 1. I'll give you the example. Okay. And for even atomic number, if an element has
It's only 2n.
so we have to do 2n. But there are 4 exceptions. Hydrogen atomic number and mass number is only 1, 1. For beryllium, this law, for beryllium, although it is even, na beta, although beryllium is even, but for this, what law we are going to use? We are going to use this odd one, because therefore we have written exception. In nitrogen is odd, na beta. So I should use this, na. But for nitrogen, I am going to use this one. And for argon, we use totally different, 2n plus 4. Now I'll give you example. I'll give you example, beta. Don't worry. So what you have to do, odd, for odd number, beta, what you will do, beta, if odd atomic number is there, then 2n plus 1. And if it is even, then what you will do? How to find mass number? You have to do double it.
2n.
But you have to remember, you cannot apply on what? You
The
cannot apply.
net charge.
Yeah. You cannot apply on Banerjee. Banerjee means beryllium, nitrogen, and argon. You cannot apply on that. Okay? Sanvi, beta, I'm explaining that. Don't worry. Lower your hand, beta. Look. Now, suppose I have given you odd number. Odd number, let us say, beta. On whom we cannot apply beryllium, nitrogen, and this. So I am giving you all odd number. Chalo. And hydrogen, of course. So lithium is odd 3. Boron is odd. Nitrogen I will not apply. Fluorine is odd. Right? Sodium is odd. Aluminium is odd. Atomic number, right? Na? Phosphorus is odd. Right? Chlorine is odd. Potassium is odd. And bus potassium. So now how to find this? Chalo, tell me. For odd ke liye, this is the atomic number they are given. So what do you have to do for odd?
2n plus 1.
2n plus 1. So
So
that's equal to
plus 1.
7.
So here, what is the value of n?
Lithium's mass number
Lithium
is
will be
7.
2 into 3 plus 1. So it will be what? 7.
6 plus 1.
Now
beryllium-
Sanvi. Now
boron
wait. Sanvi, now you can find neutron or not? 7 minus 3. So what will be my neutron?
3
4. Are you getting it? Acha,
Yeah.
this is boron 5. So what will do? 2 into 5 plus 1. So what will get? 11. So now you will get the mass number or not. And once you get the mass number, neutron will be how much? 11 minus 5. Clear?
Yes.
Acha, for fluorine, what it will be? Come on. 2 into 9 plus 1. So what you will get? Tell me, dear.
I don't know.
19. And 18 plus 11 it is. So here what you'll do, beta? 2 into 11 plus 1. So 23. This is 13. So 2 into 13 plus 1. 27. Here you'll get 31. Here you'll get 35. Here you will get what, beta? 19, 39. So now you can find neutron or not? Tell me, Sanvi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good.
Sir, can you just show the trick, like the trick?
Yeah, I'm going to.
I want to read it.
No, I'm not going to make you read. I'm going to make you write. Okay?
Okay, but can you just show it for like 2 minutes, please?
E-
I mean, 1 minute, 1 minute. Less than a minute, actually.
Yeah, first, have you understood how to use that trick?
Yes, sir.
That trick is not applicable on Banerjee. Banerjee means beryllium, nitrogen, and argon. So this is the trick. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Trick for mass number. I want all of you to copy this trick. We cannot apply this trick. Not applicable on this.
So this trick is to find a mass number, which will help us to find a neutron.
Yes. Not applicable.
Sir, what do you mean by 2 and then bracket n? N stands.
And for n, I'll change this. You will get confused. So what I'll do, I'll change this n.
N short form is for neutron, so.
No, shut up. I'll change this n. N नहीं लिखते हम लोग atomic number will write. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Atomic number. What is the symbol for atomic number?
Z.
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 Z. So 2Z. Here will be 2Z. 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 Okay. Now is this clear?
Yes.
Copy this. I'll show for even number also. If my atomic number.
So in school, when they ask find a mass number, instead of doing mass equals to that plus that, we can just do this.
Yeah, you can do that.
We won't
No,
this.
no, no. Yeah, for in school they will be very specific. This is only when you draw the diagram. If you want to find the neutron number.
Okay.
I hope all of you are getting it.
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
Yes, sir.
Have you all copied this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you
Sir, 1 minute.
Sir.
copy this.
Already written this.
Done,
Oh,
sir.
I already written.
Nice.
Yes.
Yes, sir, we've written it.
Last class only we have written, na beta?
Yeah, sir.
Last class.
You made us write the whole PPT.
Oh, okay. Chalo beta. Done all of you. Shall I move ahead?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Now for even number, what we have to do? 2 into Z. Suppose if I give you even, but it is not applicable to Banerjee, remember. So even is what? Helium is even. Okay, beryllium I cannot apply. Carbon is even. Oxygen is even. Neon is even. Tell me, then magnesium is even. Silicon is even. Oh, sorry, 14. Okay, sulfur is even. I cannot apply this on argon. Huh? Calcium is even. Okay, so now what you will do? Double it. So 2 ka double, 4. 6 ka double, 12. 16. 20. 24. 28. 32. Now you can find neutron or not. 4 minus 2, right, na beta? So 2. So this trick will help you to find number of neutrons. Okay, while drawing. Then you will say, sir, what we have to do for argon? Argon, what trick I gave you? Argon is 2Z plus 4. So argon was how much? 18. So 2 into 18 plus 4. So that comes to how much, beta? 40. It comes to how much, beta? 40. So
40.
how much neutron it will have? 40 minus 18? 22 neutrons. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Hello. So look here. Can you see here? Now you can see the neutron. How? Now you'll wonder, na, sir, from where they got neutrons. देखा बेटा यहाँ पे आ रहा है कि नहीं देखो? 4 कैसे है? Now you want to see for argon, beta. Look here it is. Look, argon. This is our argon. Can you see we got 22 neutrons, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then beta we went to for what? Beta, this is the electronic configuration. This is all electronic configuration. Remember beta in this valency I given. Then I
Glass
told.
shell can't have it.
Yeah, so this is the beta, this
Fourth limit,
first,
sorry.
in first 20 element, beta, which are the noble gases in first 20 element?
Nina.
Hina, Nina, or
Helium,
helium, neon,
neon,
argon. Which are the
argon,
metalloid in first 20?
boron and silicon.
Boron, silicon.
Which are the metal in first 20 element?
Sodium, magnesium,
Sodium,
aluminum,
magnesium.
beryllium, lithium, potassium, calcium.
And non-metal. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood why they have valency of this? Why they have valency of, look, noble gas has 0 valency because they are already stable. Noble gas have 0 valency, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so valency we did, it is the number of electron donated or, come on, valency is the number of electrons donated or accepted by an atom to achieve stable electronic configuration of nearest noble
Noble gas.
Noble gas.
nearest noble gas. Now, who is the nearest noble gas to sodium? Tell me, who is the nearest noble gas to sodium? Neon. In order to become like neon, what it has to do? It has to gain electron or lose electron. Tell me.
Gain.
Kaisa gain? This is sodium is 281 and neon is 2,8.
He has to lose one. It has to lose one.
So it will lose 1 electron and you will get sodium 1 plus. If electron is lost, which charge will develop? Positive. And whenever a charged species is formed, we call it as ion. What we call it as?
Ion.
Sodium ion. So valency is +1. Hey, magnesium, now tell me, beta, who's the nearest noble gas to magnesium? Again, neon.
Neon. So you'll not gain 2.
So lose. So it will lose 2 electron. Array, it wants to become 2 comma 8. In order to become 2 comma 8, what it has to do? It has to
Lose
get
two.
2 electron. So plus 2 valency. Who is the nearest noble gas to aluminium?
Neon.
Neon. So in order to become long, it will lose. Always remember any element
Three.
any element, if it in its outermost shell, if it is 1, 2, or 3 electron, if they have 3 or less than 3 electron, they will always lose that. So look, here it was 1 electron, so it loses 1. Here it was 2, so it loses 2. Here it is 3, then it will lose 3. But any element, if it has 5 or more electron in its outermost shell, how much? 5 or more. Suppose I have written here nitrogen. Nitrogen is 2 comma 5. So 5 or more. So now look, here it is more than 5 or not. Tell me all these. So who is the nearest noble gas to chlorine?
Argon.
So in order to become like argon, what it has to do? Here it was 7 and here it is 8. So it will gain 1 electron or not? Tell me.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And it will form 1 minus. Why? Because electron pe kya charge tha? Negative. So if it gains 1 electron, so the one who gains electron, they are known as non-metal. Non-metal always accept electron.
Yes, sir.
This fellow, it is 2 comma 6. So in order to become octet, in order to become like neon, it has to gain how many electron? Tell me.
2.
2. So it is 2 minus. A, for nitrogen, how much it will gain? Again, the
Why is
nearest.
it 2 minus if it has to gain?
Acha, electron has what charge?
Two less.
Oh, yeah.
Haan.
Ah,
Acha, this is 5. This is 2 comma 8. So how much electron it will gain? Come on, Sanvi. How much it?
Which one? I didn't hear properly.
This one, nitrogen.
Oh,
How much
5.
it? So no, it is.
3. So minus
Yes,
3.
3 electrons. So it
So
will.
whenever it has to gain electrons, it will always be minus.
Yeah, and how many electron it gained? 3. So it will be 3 minus. So what is the valency? So look, logic is what if they in the outermost shell, if it is 5 or more, generally 5, 6, or 7. Can you see here it was 5, 6, and 7. They will gain how much electron in order they will always gain electron to become 8. So for this, in order to become 8, how many electron? 1. For this to become 8, how many electron? 2. For this to become 8, how many electron? 3.
3. Okay, sir.
Understood? And if it is the outermost shell, if it is 1, 2, or 3, then it will always lose. It will always,
nose.
the one who gains electron, they are non-metal. Okay?
Yes.
Right? So the number of electrons and actually you can write this nitrogen beta, nitrogen. Nitrogen example, I want you to write this one. I want you to write this example of nitrogen. And it will become what beta?
Done, sir.
Wait, let me write. No, you have to write the name of this. This has become 2 comma 8. This is known as nitride ion. Chlorine becomes chloride. Oxygen becomes oxide. Nitrogen becomes nitride. Nitride.
Done, sir.
Nitride. Ion. Negative ion are known as what, beta? Anion. Negative ions are known as what?
Um,
Anion. Anion. Negative are anion.
And
All.
cations are positive.
Yeah, I'll show you that also. First,
Oh,
have you all of you have copied
So,
this?
how does chlorine become chloride?
Because that is for anion, we always write whenever any element becomes an ion, we put an ending of "ide." So chlorine becomes chloride, oxygen become oxide. This is the rule we have to follow. Whenever any element will gain electron, we'll always write "ide" ending. Mein. Okay?
yes, sir.
Okay. Acha, negative ions are known as anion. This also you have to remember. Anions. Negatively charged ions are called anions. Anions. And positively charged radical are known as.
Yes.
So look, if any element has 1, 2, or 3 electron in their outermost shell, look here it was 1, here it
it
was
would
2,
lose them.
it will lose. So 1 electron, if it
Cations.
loses, plus 1, 2 electron plus, and positively charged, they are known as what? Cation. Here, Dhruvi beta, here we don't write "ide." Okay?
Sir, I'm getting confused. You said when we have to get electrons, like when you have to like get electrons will be minus, but now it's plus.
So here it is what, gaining or losing?
Uh,
Here it is losing. So negative charge is going. So I'll become positive or not? Tell me.
yes, sir.
So why are you getting confused?
I was getting confused.
Positively charged ions are called cations. Positively charged ions are called
Cation.
cations. Now, beta, we have to do what? Bond formation. What we are going to do?
Formation.
Bond
Bond.
formation.
Look,
Yes,
I'll
sir.
show you beta this, and then I'll show you this, and then first we'll do bond between metal and non-metal. Metal and
Sir, will stable and unstable electric configuration come?
stable means if it has octet, then it is stable. If it is not
Oh,
uh,
so like when
yeah.
the electronic configuration is not complete, it's
Yes. Okay. Now sodium chloride. Now what is the atomic number of sodium beta? Tell me. 281. Can you see this?
yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Chlorine is how much? 287. So now what will happen? Is the electronic configuration of sodium stable?
No. No.
Chlorine, is it stable?
No.
So who is the nearest noble gas to sodium? Neon. So it wants to become like neon. Who is the nearest noble gas to chlorine? Argon. Okay, so what sodium will do? In sodium, in the outermost shell, there is only one electron. So what it will do?
It will take, no, it will donate. It will donate.
Nah, chlorine however, is 7. It wants to become 8. So what
So
it will
then the
do?
valency will become +1.
Yeah, no. But first you tell me by baby step first. What chlorine will do? It wants to gain one electron to become like this or not? Tell me.
Yeah. Yes.
So now what will happen to this electron? This electron, can you see this electron? It will get transferred here or not?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll show you. Look here. Anyone who has beta 3 or less than 3 electron in their outermost shell, they are what? Metal. So sodium is metal. Chlorine, if any element has 4 or more than 4 electrons in their outermost shell, then it is non-metal.
Metal.
Now what it will do, look here, beta. Who is the nearest noble gas to sodium? Has 281. So it is unstable. So to attain stability, it will lose one electron. Chlorine is what, beta? 287. It is also unstable. It will gain one electron or not? Tell me, it needs one electron. So
Yes,
who will
sir.
give this electron, beta? Who will give this electron?
Sodium.
Sodium. So look, beta, just look at this electron. It is getting transferred. Look. देखा? Oh my God. Hey, this atom is electrically neutral. This is also neutral. But once this sodium will lose electron, it will develop positive charge or not? And
Yes.
chlorine will develop -1 or not? Tell me.
Yes.
Okay, so now this has become positive and negative. So there will be force of attraction between these two or not? Tell me.
Yes.
And ions are held together. Okay, so this bond is known as, in this bond, ions are formed or not? So it is known as ionic bond. What we call it an
Ionic bond.
ionic bond, or it is also known as electrovalent bond. Why? Because there is electrostatic force of attraction and it is formed due to transfer of electron from which atom? Metallic atom to
Non-metal.
non-metallic. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And you will get this sodium chloride. Look, look. Here I got what? Sodium ion. Chloride ion. This positive. Look, it has become octet stable. This is also stable. This blue electron यहाँ का transfer हुआ कि नहीं यहाँ पर बोलो.
Yes.
So look here.
Yes.
Look, here you can see sodium 281. Nearest noble, acha. Then chlorine is what? 287. Nearest noble gas to sodium is who? Neon. For chlorine, it is who?
So
Argon.
they will ask all this.
Yeah, they not for this test, but after, sodium, what it did, beta, it transferred one electron or not? Tell me. And it became sodium and chlorine. Then you get a compound,
Sodium
sodium
chloride.
chloride.
Common salt.
Understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
it is why we call it as electrovalency? Because electron are transferred. Right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So, and then now we are going to do what? Sharing of electron. What we are going to do?
Sharing.
Sharing, then it is known as covalency. Now, before that, you only tell me, beta, here what will happen. I am giving you one more example. What calcium will do, beta? Calcium, it is 282. So, what it will do? You only tell me.
Oh.
It'll give
Calcium,
So
nearest
it
noble.
is already stable, so
No, nearest noble gas is argon. Oxygen is
it will give
2,6.
out two to make oxygen close to neon.
So now
It will donate two.
yeah, so it
Calcium.
has to donate 2 and it has to gain 2 or not, tell me.
So,
Right?
so calciums too will go to oxygen,
Yes, look, they are going. Go, Baba. Look, go.
and then they all will be stable.
So this is 2 plus and this will be 2 minus,
Oh my
right? Okay, this is again ionic bond only. Electron is getting transferred. Easy. Now
God.
I'm going to go for covalent. Last part. Chalo. Fatafat covalent. Covalent mein what we are going
Thought
to
we
do?
never learned covalent in school.
Covalent. They will. But I'm teaching you, na, bro.
But it's not there for the test, no.
For the test, but it is be there in first term, na, beta. Covalency. Acha, whichever the one they have shown. Acha, now chlorine, beta, look here. Chlorine, how many electron are there in the outermost shell? 287. This is also another chlorine, 287. Who's the nearest noble gas to chlorine?
Sir, neon.
Argon.
Neon, sir. Argon, sorry.
Argon. Now what will happen? They will come together and they will share. Look, they will share this electron. Come together, baby. Look, come. Look, they will come close. Look here. They will. Are they transferring? No. Look, what is happening? They are
Sharing.
sharing. Now you look at this orbit. Now in this chlorine, are there 8 electrons or not? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes.
Now look on the left hand side, this one. Are there 8 electrons or not? Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this bond is formed due to sharing, sharing. Sharing is bond with it is what? Achha, both are non-metal or not? Tell me. This is also non-metal. This is also non-metal. So when two non-metals will come together and share, we call it as covalent bond. How many electron they are sharing? One pair. So we write this way, single covalent bond. We write it as this way, single covalent bond. Now you tell me about oxygen. What oxygen will do? Look here, oxygen. Oxygen atomic number was what, beta? 8. So 2 comma 6. So this oxygen need how many electron to become stable? Left one. Is it 8? No, na beta. This fellow is also so two electrons they need. So what will happen here? Tell me.
They share. They
How many electron they will share?
no, sorry, two.
Two.
Yes, look here. They will come together. Come, Baba, close. Look. Yes, beta.
Yes.
Purvi, beta, tell me. Yeah. Tell me, what is your doubt? Somebody raise your hand.
Yeah, how are all the 8 electrons on one shell?
Okay. After, are there 8 electron in one shell now? No, no. Hello, beta. There are not 8 electrons here. Where are there are 8 electrons? There are only 6, no, beta. Look.
No, but like how are they on all 8 like how are all 8 electrons on one shell? Should they not be in different like
No, look, no, where there are 8 electrons. Here there are only 6 only. 6 only. I am showing only the outer
there should be
electron.
2.
I am showing the outer electron only, beta.
Okay.
Okay. Now what will happen? Now afterwards, what is happening? After sharing, you see. After sharing, what is happening? Look on the left hand side one. Is this having 8 electron count? Vinde
Yes,
1,
sir.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Yes.
6, 7, 8. Look at the left hand side one. Is it having 8? 1, 2,
Yeah.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, acha, when one pair is shared, we used to write single bond. Here, how many shared pair are there? 1 and 2, na beta? So, I'll write double covalent bond. What I'll write?
Double.
Double. Now, okay, chalo, you tell me orally, fatafat. Nitrogen, what it will do? Nitrogen is what atomic number is?
10.
So 2 comma 5. So this nitrogen also
10.
needs how much? 3. This also needs 3. So look, I have drawn only the outer electron. Bhinde, I have drawn only the outer electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For this nitrogen also I have drawn the outer electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what will happen? They will come close to each other or not? Tell me.
Yeah.
And what is happening? Look. Oh,
6
sorry.
electrons. Okay. Yeah.
Now you look on the left hand side one. Is it having 8 electron or not? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Sir.
Now look on the right left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many pair they have shared total? 1, 2, and 3. So what I'll write? Triple covalent bond. In nitrogen, there will be what, beta? So, okay. So, covalent bond is always formed between two non-metals. Acha, ionic bond was formed between metal and non-metal. Look this. Now, have you understood this diagram of oxygen? Look here.
Yes.
Sir.
Look, beta, look, we have drawn only the outer one. Andar ka bhi 2 electrons. We don't show that. This oxygen, there's six electrons were there or not?
No.
So they have shared 2 pair. Can you see this? O2, it will become oxygen. Is this clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Chalo then, bye bye everybody. Next part I will do in the next class, that isotope,
Bye,
isopar.
sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.